Welcome to Jamaica.
Approach runway 25, Spirit 833.
0 degrees, 10 knots.
Runway 25, clear to land, Spirit 833.
Yeah, November Alpha, thanks to tower, continue right base, runway 25. Alpha, continue to final. 333 around that 54, vacate on Charlie, vacate number.
And now we're going to 17, Spirit 833.
33, Roger, taxi, Charlie Alpha, Echo, Foxtrot, gate 17.
Charlie Alpha Echo, gate 17, Spirit 833.
Alpha, clear to land, runway 25, wind 210 degrees, 10 knots.
In early, sorry, hit taxi land.
Monitor ground 1217.
Thanks, our first time at this gate.
Alright, at 57, vacate on Charlie, continue Alpha to the ramp, monitor ground 1217.
A rigger for runway 25.
272, thanks for tower, clear to land runway 25, wind 210 degrees, 10 knots.
5 Southwest 272.
Charlie, say gate number.
Lefting Charlie and you'll be gate number 3, Southwest 272.
Taxi Charlie, right on Alpha to gate 3.
Right in Alpha for gate 3, Southwest 272.
To New Year at runway 25.
982, thanks for tower. Clear to land runway 25, 210 degrees, 11 knots.
Clear land 25, we're Canada 92.
Remember Alpha, thanks for tower, Roger. Hold short, runway 25.
Tower, Copa 146, good morning. over 2 bay.
693 Tower, good morning. Continue approach runway 25. Reduce approach speed to minimum.
Runway 25, Copa 146.
982 arrange to vacate on taxiway Delta.
So you take it for Canada 92?
Vacate the runway on taxiway Delta.
We'll arrange Delta Air Canada 92.
Remember Alpha after departure, it's a right turnout, maintain 2000 initially. For departure, right turnout and maintain 2000 feet initially. To arrive at 08, vacate on Delta, when clear contact ground 1217.
Delta 1217 when able at Canada 92.
For line up and wait, runway 25 intersection Charlie.
Runway 24 intersection Charlie, 6 of our
In Canada, delay clear for takeoff runway 25, wind 220 degrees, 8 knots.
24, control 6 of our
6 continue, expect landing clearance short final.
Say landing clearance of final runway 25, Copa 146.
Six clear to land runway 25, wind 220 degrees, 8 knots.
Land runway 125, Copa 146. Good morning, Delta 1955, RNAV 25.
5 thanks for tower, roger. Continue approach runway 25.
Continue 25, Delta, continue approach Delta 1955. Coming up on the shoreline, for the left runway 25 is always number 1.
Lima thanks for tower, roger. Proceed to left base runway 25, I keep it close.
Close, left base 25, no about it now.
Sorry, traffic here following is an Airbus 321 now, 6 miles final, runway 25.
Yes sir guys, number 2 to the traffic, 6 miles final, no about it now.
Alpha traffic, Airbus 321 on a 6 mile final, runway 25, remain north and clear.
The traffic, no about it now.
Contact radar 120.8.
Radar 120.8, 6 of our
46 arrived at 11 vacate Charlie, say gate number.
Any gate number right there, get up by 1 point.
146, proceed left onto Alpha, hold up, you can get 15 on Alpha.
Alpha, holding that being 15 on Alpha, go by 1 point.
And a 55, wind 220 degrees, 11 knots. Clear to land runway 25. Traffic on the left. Downwind Cessna 206, that's 1,000 feet, south and clear.
And 25, Delta 955.
Lima Roger, proceed to final runway 25. Traffic company 206, proceed southbound at 5 miles to the east at 2,000. Verify 5 arrive 13, vacate on Charlie. What's your gate number?
Number 15 for Delta, and taking left on Charlie for Delta 1955.
Taxi Charlie Alpha Foxtrot gate 15.
Charlie Alpha Foxtrot for 15, Delta 155, 1955.
Wind 220 degrees 10 knots, clear to land runway 25.
Copy and clear to land, Lima.
Uh, 146. Okay, stand by. On the RNAV 25 approach. 116, thanks, sir. Tower Roger. Continue approach, runway 25.
Continuing the approach, runway 25, west at 2116.
116, clear to land runway 25, wind 220 degrees, 10 knots.
There's the line 25, west at 2116.
Alright, 31, vacate on Charlie, contact ground 1217.
Charlie, we'll contact ground for west at 2116.